Well, boys, this is the moment we've been waiting for. It's 2024, start of the new year, and in this box, I have one of the best Lego Star Wars sets to come out in recent memory. So let's open it. This is not the best Lego Star Wars set to come out. This is the new, well, sort of new, I guess, Lego Nutcracker. Because the battle pack was only $30, and I guess you have to pay, to get the free shipping, you have to get $35 worth of stuff. And this was on sale for $10, down from $12, so I was like, hey, why not? Get the threshold there. Then, there it is. Wait a minute, what? They gave me two. Wait a minute. Are you serious? I didn't order two. Wait, no way. What? They gave me two battle packs for no reason. Holy shit. No freaking way. Oh my god, thank you so much, Lego. That is awesome. I don't know if that's like just a mistake or what. Holy shit. So I essentially got a free battle pack. That's crazy. This is just such a good looking set. We're finally getting super battle droids. We haven't seen them in a set since the Half-Fire droid from 2015. Which was 9 years, almost a decade ago, which is hurting my brain a little bit to think about, but wow. And this is essentially the first droid battle pack we've gotten since 2007, since the original battle packs. Because they only made one, and obviously they've made several clone battle packs since then, but we never got a new droid one. And this is essentially the clone and droid battle pack packed into one. That's just so cool. And I love the Christophsis background that they used here from the Clone Wars. Looks really good and fitting because they got the Optoptora droid and it's the Clone Wars designed one. Oh my god, I can't believe I got a free battle pack. New Year's gift from Lego.